Good day, HSL. Effective home remedies for hard cough. Soothe your hard cough with natural remedies. Begin by mixing honey with warm water or herbal tea for instant relief. Inhale steam infused with eucalyptus oil to clear congestion. Gargling with salt water can ease throat irritation, while staying hydrated helps thin mucus. Lastly, elevate your head while sleeping to find comfort and prevent nighttime coughing. Embrace these home solutions for quick healing. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and health awareness. Until we meet again, stay informed, stay engaged, and take care of yourself and those around you. The HSL Health Storyline continues. See you next time.